We're back. It's July 6th, and it is 6:44 p.m. out west. In Chicago, it is 8:44, almost 8:45. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday, week two's expiration. I'm sorry, week one. We started last Friday was first week of July. Today, stocks came down. We pretty much were lower overnight and then continue to go down to the 43.05 area. We had increased volume on the dips, and then it kind of petered out until the close. We rallied after that. We got back up into the low 30s, near 40. Right now we're 31. That's 43.31. The NASDAQ held up the market. The Dow was down over 200 most of the day, and the NASDAQ was like positive 50 towards the end of the day. Overnight, right now, it's up $4. Treasury bonds, as we mentioned yesterday, look like they were going to rally, and they certainly have. There were 162.5, looking like we're going 163, 164 area. Natural gas and crude oil slowed down. Last night, they made it up to $77 in the crude, back down to the 73.50 area, unchanged from the earlier close. Natural gas is kind of petering out. It's in the 367, 370 area. Gold rallied. I think that was more on the news of the Chinese sell-off last night. Gold is holding $1,800. Currencies are mixed. The yen and the euro against the dollar. And as grain prices have come down a little bit, grain prices have picked up. I think that's more weather related. We have soybeans up 23 cents tonight and corn unchanged, up a half a penny. That's about it. Tomorrow's expiration, volatility, Igor says, is 7%. Is that right?
Yep.
7%. What is the at the money straddle? We're looking at 35, 13. So it's about the same as it was for today's straddle. So, I mean, if we're not going to do anything, but I would go 20 up and 20 down if you don't have anything on. We sold for EOM against our open position of short a future from 41.80 and hedged with the 43.70 put. We sold we did a 1x2. What was our 1x2? It was 41, bought the 4100, sold the 4,000 52 times, bought the 4,000, sold the 39.5 two times. And I think we did that for a net collection of $15. Does that sound right, Igor?
Yeah, about right.
15, yeah. So that's what we're holding for now, and we'll let this one slide. If the market does come down, we may lift our futures, but not for a while. We're probably not going to lift until we're back in the 4,100. I would like to see a retest of 2 Mondays ago low, which was 41.20. So outside of that, we'll check back in on the opening and see if there's anything interesting to do. Thanks a lot, and have a good night.
Good night.